everybody, I'm back today. I have something to want to show you. Here, it smells great. Come back. It's a Cass Daily Silk. What they have here? For silky soft skin, floral fusion oil, white peach and orange blossom. And they have 14 bars. Silken Beauty. Great. I think I have never used this kind of bar soap before, so that's my first time. Inside they have 14 bars, so let me open so you can see this inside. Okay, this is you outside everything. I bought from the wholesale store, so that's why it's so many. But if you buy from the retail store, probably the one is maximum, I think probably 8 bars. That's I think so. Let me open so you can see the inside. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah. It dropped on my computer. That smells great. I should not do it like that because I will be addicted to it. Okay, here. So let me open one so you can see the inside. Yeah. How does it look like inside? This is like this. Can you see it? It's kind of look like oval shape. It's oval shape. Look. I'm kind of addicted. That's my my face is minimized. Is right. See. This looks like exactly my face minimized. Alright. As the color is a light brown color, light yellow. Oh, light yellow. I don't know how you say this kind of color, but it look like light brown and has some light yellow in here. But it's a smell great. Not like it's not too soft or not too hard. So when my hand push like this, it's not really hard like others. It's like a rock. So I think it's not bad. Let's see the outside of the box. The same thing. Cares Daily Silk for silky soft skin. Floral fusion oil. White peach and orange blossom. That's the same with the bag I just showed you. And this is universe something. The letter universe what Unilever, I think Unilever, because the word is in the white font, so it's and a light skin light box. It's hard for you to read. So let's say Unilever, I think. And this is, if you have any question, you call 1-800 blah 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 blah. Okay, that is my open box for today. Thank you for watching. Yeah, so 14 of them. Okay, that is 14 of them.